Good morning. Welcome back to Old Guy REI. I thought I'd do a quick update on this garage project that we've taken on. If you've seen any of the previous videos, we had this garage. It had a ton of damage here where all the new paper and wire and this door is. So we were wondering if we should try to rebuild the garage or tear it down and build a new one. So we decided to try to rebuild it. It used to have a single car garage door here in the front. We removed that, put the window in yesterday. We reframed the whole thing. I'll show you inside in a minute, but we ended up having a couple of challenges. One was here there was an old door that comes out the laundry room of the house, and the height of that door is quite a bit higher than this door to the garage. If we had left the door there, we would have needed 3 steps coming off the door, and that would have put us really close to this new door. It would only left about 12 inches of space before you walked into the door. So I checked with the boss, and she said it was okay to delete this door, so we're patching over it, and we're just going to have there'll be 1 step here onto a deck that goes back as far as the plywood is, and then these pipes here, the 2 white ones, are carrying the hot and cold supplies, water supplies, to the garage because, again, as you know, the project has grown and we added a bathroom in the garage. So hot and cold water in the white ones. The black ABS is going to be where we pass a new circuit for the building under the deck. So that wire will go through the black conduit. And then let me get inside here without breaking my neck. It's a little messy in here because we were working kind of late last night, but if you recall, I mentioned that this garage had kind of leaned over the years. The house was built in 46. I'm assuming the garage was built at the same time, but all the framing, the top of the building kind of tilted over about 3/4 of an inch. So we reframed everything level and plumb. And I added the OSB, which is this funny looking plywood. It's oriented strand board to give it a little bit more shear strength, and the shear strength keeps the framing from twisting. So if you think of the framing twisting back and forth like this, the plywood helps with that. And then of course we're going to sheetrock over this too, but we have some windows. So there's a window in the bathroom. There was a window there, but Cynthia decided to cover it because of some storage ideas that she has for that little space. And then we have 1 window there. We have this new door. And then we have a window in the front, which would be facing the driveway. And all my precious treasures in the tent. The tent will be gone. The driveway will be clean when we're all done. So today we're going to probably insulate the ceiling, and I decided just to go with R19 up there because of the limited space. Typically you'd have something like R30, super thick, but I think this will probably be even more insulated than the house is, to be honest. That's the bathroom that we spoke of. So she'll have a shower, a corner shower with a vanity and a toilet. And we have all the electrical run for some pancake lights. There'll be 12 total, 8 in the main space and 4 in the bathroom. We were able to pop in a bathroom vent fan up there, trying to keep it as legitimate as possible for you guys. This is not being inspected. We don't have a permit. We didn't need a permit for the roof because it was under 400 square feet. And I'll try to break down costs for you as we get a little bit deeper into it. We haven't spent a ton on it yet. It's probably been about 2 weeks of time as far as labor goes. And I think so far the roof was $3,500. That was tearing off the old roof, sheeting it, installing some new architectural shingles to match the house, and then all this OSB and stuff, the floor framing and everything like that. I think with the roof, we're probably in it to about $8,000 for materials and then 2 weeks of our labor. So not too bad so far. We'll make another video as soon as we get some insulation and sheetrock rolling. Thanks for watching.